Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to fix Discord JavaScript error. Follow this step-by-step tutorial to solve this JavaScript error for Discord. First of all, we have to exit our Discord app completely. So click on this show hidden icons, right click on Discord icon and click on Quiet Discord. After that, right click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. And here scroll down and check the Discord is running or not. If you see here Discord, then select Discord and click on End Task. Once done, click on your search icon and type here %appdata% and open app data folder. Here make sure you are in the roaming folder and here you will get this Discord folder. You have to delete Discord folder from here. Once done, select app data, open local folder. Also from here you have to delete Discord. Once done, now we need to reinstall our Discord. So go to your browser. Now we have to install Discord installer. So click on download and now all you have to need just run the Discord setup.exe file to reinstall the Discord on your computer. Once done, log into your Discord account. Now the JavaScript error problem should be fixed. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.